back with Raila and Aida during Jaramogi's time. And the last day Jaramogi left Nairobi, we walked through her as his secretary. And I walked him through the stairs of Ajib House. And as I put him in the car, he told me he will come back the following week. We go and see President Moi. He had rang President Moi and told him that he wants an appointment with him and SK. So I walked him downstairs and put him in the car to come to Bodo and come back to Nairobi the following week. As I put him in the car in Nairobi, he told me he has two sons, one called Oburu and one called Lyra. And I'm older of them, of the two of them. I take care of them. So whenever you have been hearing rumors, Akikuyu called SK, even during Matiba's time, that is supporting Raila, Odinga, or others, during Kebake's time and Uhuru's time, that I'm supporting Odinga, Raila Odinga, is because they are my brothers. They were left for me, and she testifies to that by the father, Odinga. You take heart, Mama. Take heart.
Thank you.
We'll find him there. He's a great man. He was a great man. Just like his father. Like father, like son. Was a great father. For this country, he has given to this country what we don't know. Maybe the history will tell us. But for now, we don't know anybody else who has given that much of his life to this country. Yeah. Let's wait. Those who will be here, like the young Turks, they will tell us when they come to heaven. Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Mama can say something.
Yeah.
I want to thank SK on behalf of the Odinga family. I want to say a big thank you to SK Macharia. Now, the story of the Odingas and SK goes a long way. It started way back in the early 90s, 91, 92, and so forth. And SK has been a close friend of this family. I remember in early 1992, sometimes in March, when, do I say I lost my job? Or I'll say I was sacked? I was sacked for the second time. The people who reached me first was SK. When that happened, I moved to Ajib House, where Jaramogi's office was, and SK came there, and he thought I was the secretary, but actually I acted like one in Jaramogi's office. Since then, he's been with us through very many journeys, and SK, I want to thank you so much
Thank you.
for being around
Thank you.
for the Odinga family.
Thank you.
May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Ni jothurwa mantie, adwa wachonu ni osiep mar joka Jaramogi kod SK en osiep moa mabor. Ochakore higa mar 90, akia ne en gachiel, 90 kanyo, 92, to nen ng'at mane Jaramogi ohero, kendo ng'at mane Jaramogi wuoyogo machiegni. To kane Jaramogi odhi, in fact the last time mane Jaramogi a Jejip House, SK nen kar kanyo, aeto SK ukowe nyaka piny, from 5th floor kowe nyaka piny on the ground, bo idho mtoka, bo wuoyo kode, bo kone ni mondo rit yowuote ariyogo eko. And osetiyo maber, oserito gi nyaka sani. Amor nobiro kaka wuono mondo bendo biyo gono osiepni oriti. Wagone erokamano mondo Nyasaye oriti kod family ne to kod joge duto jok matiyogo. Erokamano. So now we can sit.
They're saying they want to settle the retreat first back in the house.
Okay.
They want to settle
They want to settle.
Okay.
But just say bye to mom.
As our dignitaries retreat back to the house, I will request that the rest of us go to the other side to set up for the ceremony that will begin shortly. Thank you very much for being here with us and condoling with the Odinga family. May I now request that we retreat to the other side as our dignitaries retreat back to the house so that we could begin the next process. Thank you.